Okay, in this video I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on using the Chicago Electric Power Tool high-speed steel drill bit guide. So I've taken out the guide right here. You just simply slide it in to the frame until it snaps down. Then take your guide and open it up a little bit. So I got a nasty drill here that's going to come through like this. And you set it down, pull this up, set this down into it, take your drill, bring it through. Now, this is simply a guide. All you're going to be doing here, you want to bring it down a little bit so it's snug but not too snug, that it doesn't rotate. It doesn't come out. So you just keep twisting it down. You don't want to over tighten this because this is plastic. So there it is. It's moving a little bit, but it's not going up and down much. It's a small drill. There we go. Okay, push this all the way up like so. This goes back and forth. This is simply a guide, and you jam it up in there like so. That gets it in the right direction. Then once you got that done, pull it back up, pull out your guide, and then put it into the slot. There's no snapping or anything here. So once you have it in there, this goes back and forth slightly. So you're going to turn it on, and I'm not using gloves, by the way, you should. And then you just go ahead and give it a little bit of a, as soon as it quits touching the grinder, it's all done. Take and flip it, put it back in, make sure it's swiveled over. There is a bar right here to stop it. Come back in, grind it. Till it no longer is hitting the grinder, and then you'll see that you have a shiny surface on both edges of this. And that's about it. This is limited to what size drill you can put in here, so if it's too small, they have instructions for dealing with that, and you can only go up to a certain size. And I'm about at the bottom right now of how big a drill you can put in here, because it was slipping out a little bit. It didn't tighten down all the way, but just looking at it, I got a new edge on it. So that's using the drill guide. So out of the box, it's a little complicated. Hopefully this will give you the basics, and you can get started using it. You have other attachments. You got one for knife and scissors. I did a video on that. I'm not going to do one on the chisel and plane guide because it's so simple, but these are the two that you might be using the most. Alrighty.